In this episode, we are looking at the best 3D printer on the market for every price range.
Through extensive research, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's performance price or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like, video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.
Anycubic Photon Mono 4K Resin 3D Printer. To get all the convenient features in a single 3D printer, you can think of buying this device. Trustworthy and reliable brand Anycubic has brought it. This yellow-colored device is made up of metal. It holds a wide screen that is more durable and has a longer lifespan. With its high 4K resolution and precision level, you can print all your 3D models of any shape. It facilitates more speed printing to save time. It features universal compatibility. In sum, it is designed to meet daily and professional needs. Bebo 3D Printer. Finding an excellent 3D printer that contains almost all the outstanding facilities at a reasonable price is not always very easy. Reliable brand Bebo has made this happen by bringing this outstanding device. It is a plastic-made device that looks beautiful because of the combination of red and silver colors. It features easier and more friendly operations. Its filament detection features are convenient for printing in a large volume. It is a Wi-Fi controlled device. On top of that, it features dual extruders, which means it can print two identical elements at a time.
That's all for this video. Hope you liked it, and if you did, please go ahead and give it a like. If you are new to the channel and you liked it, consider subscribing. We also do all kinds of videos like this over a number of products, all aimed to provide the best products and making purchasing decisions easier. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope everyone has a great day. And until next time, I will see you guys later.